Recording you. You're recording me? I'm recording you. Oh, and I almost dropped my camera. Good thing it's got this little scrappy do.
You better back up. Real talk.
Real talk. No, where are you looking at?
I don't know.
Oh, see where she's looking at the tree. Oh, where are my boots?
Hella bad.
Hella bad.
Like super hella bad.
Yeah.
Super hella bad.
Little children playing ball. Little children playing ball.
Children.
It's my shoes. It's Gracie's shoes. It's my shoes. It's my hair.
Gracie's eye.
It's
the cars. Chicken.
Can you see the rooster? Can you see that rooster? Oh, I'm mad now. You can't see the freaking rooster. Hey, little rooster. Hey. Oh, do you see it? It's by the tree. Kind of behind it.
You can point it out.
It's in between the tree and the car. Oh, my eyes are watering. Look at the rooster. Look at the rooster. There's a football party down the street. Red truck. Rooster. Follow me, guys. Hello, Rooster. I'm gonna name you Chuckles. I named it Chuckles. It's our new friend. Oh my gosh. Hi, little buddy. Oh my god, you're so cute.
Leave it alone.
It's a little chicken. I want to hug him. Oh my god, he's still following us. Whoa. Oh my god, I just made chicken noises.
Oh, look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. Oh,
they're beautiful.
What?
She's wearing the new shirt I got her. It's so beautiful.
Aww.
The person in the garage.
For real.
Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. It's a car. It's Walmart in the background. Walmart.
Happy slap. Ow! Yellow car.
I'm gonna kick you with my Jack Martin boot.
With a Doc Martin boot. In crap. You pissed me off!
You're retarded.
What do you want?
Turtles. Look at our shadows. Look at my boots. Look at my hand. My eyes are watering. Why are you looking at me like that? Because the camera's not on me. You hooker! There's a car coming this way.
Look at the car.
Oh my god. Look at the cars!
And
Red truck!
Dude, are you gonna walk out in front of me?
No!
Record it.
Don't,
Record
Caitie!
it.
Don't
I'm gonna do it.
I'm gonna do it. No, you suck.
No.
You suck! You bigot! Black car! Actually, it's kind of like maroonish.
It's maroon.
It looks
I was
black
about
at
to be
first.
ninja and do that.
No, you're not getting ran over.
We were talking about house coats when we sounded Canadian, like house coats.
Who's cooch?
Hooch cooch.
Hooch cooch.
Hooch cooch.
Hooch cooch.
Motherfucking hooch cooch.
Hooch cooch.
Hooch cooch.
I choose you!
No.
Dead end. McDonald's is right there.
Well, we are about to go into the
swamp, kind of.
swampy
It's like a swamp desert.
dead end desert thingy.
I don't know how it's a swamp
And
a desert,
last time
but
we
it
went
is.
there, what was it? It was trying to eat us.
Well, we got almost got attacked by a bunny. Caitie freaked out. We were on this pile of like cement and rocks and stuff.
What was that thing your dad thought he saw back there?
Oh, a chupacabra?
Chupacabra lived back there.
There's a chupacabra back there, I swear to God. It's like in this hole.
And I will
wonder
never
if
go
the
near
hole
that.
is still there. I'll
Lord.
record it. Look, there's water. There's water. I'm gonna go down this ditch.
Yeah, we're gonna show them.
Look at the water. Okay, here we go.
Oh God, it's water.
This is the bridge into the unknown.
Bro, I'm gonna die.
We are going to die. We die every time we come back here. That's a branch, Caitie. Okay, that's some weird colored mud. How am I gonna do this? I'm scared, Caitie. I got stuck for a second. Okay, oh my god. Walking on the grass.
Right there.
See that hole? where the chupacabra lives, I'm telling you. Yeah, mud, 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 mud. Woo! Alright. We kinda did it. Oh, squishy. 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 Squishy, squishy, squishy. Yay, it's not as squishy over here. The mountain. You stepped in something. And it was squishy. It was squishy. What's that supposed to be? I don't know. I kind of want to stand on it though, but it looks like if I were to stand on it, like a monster would come out and eat my soul. It looks like one of those, like, rock monster thingies from Fable.
Oh my god, it is.
Dude, it is. Dude, it's huge. Sorry if I suck at filming. If you guys have any tips for me, that would be cool, because still not used to this whole, like, camera in hand thing. This is so awkward. Dude, it's such an open field. Sunlight. It's so majestic out here. I'm walking on sunshine. Oh, I'm walking on sunshine. Oh, it doesn't feel good. It's cars. Cars and cars and cars and cars and cars. I just tripped. Cars and cars and cars and cars and cars. Are you recording my butt? No. In about 5 seconds, I'm gonna die. Because that's a creepy hole. Give me the camera. I'm gonna tape you running down the thing. It's hilarious how she runs down. Go. Me? Yeah, go. It's funny how you run down. Don't die. Yeah. Okay. Let me try and do this and not die. Hold on.
Listen to the camera.
Shut up. Because people are douche canoes. I'm editing that out. Don't edit that out. Dude, come on. I probably look so stupid in the wind. It's not like we did that. I bet I do. I bet I look stupid in the wind. Do I look better with glasses or without? My eyes are so watery. I'm going to put your glasses on. Oh, yes. Do I look smart? I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch your face. Oh, look. Oh, it's warm. Yeah. Ah, I'm cold. I'm going to put my hood up. Ah. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I have my hood on. Yes. And I probably look retarded and I don't care. Yes, yes, yeah. Messy her, don't care. Cars. Happy Ow! Happy flag. Don't touch me. She's a douche. Hello. You're a douche canoosh. Yes, you are. You're a douche canoosh, and I don't like you. Just kidding. I like you because you're my cousin. Woo! Hold on.
So technically we're not related.
Yeah, I know.
Good enough to say cousins, though.
Yeah. Or else people will wonder about us.
Right?
They'll be like, are they really lesbian lovers? I don't know.
We're not, though. Just saying. We're just...
Caitie, she wants us to be all the time, though. She always asks me. I'm like, no, Caitie.
No.
It's not the right time.
No, I don't.
Red truck! Oh, my God. You're walking on cement, and it feels kind of good, I guess. Red truck! Red truck! Oh, my God, red truck, get out of the way! Red truck! Red truck! I'm hella scared of Caitie. The princess is here! The air on this beat is automatic, supersonic. Hypnotic, funky, fresh. Dude, I totally owned you. Owned you! Ace owned? I ace owned you. I owned you. I disowned you. I was all like, yeah, what now?
I didn't remember that. I don't remember how I did it. But
it was pretty great. Don't you make me punch you and put you in that ditch over there? Do it! No, I got heavy equipment. You're lucky.
I have to go home soon.
Don't push me over the line. I know what you're trying to do. Hey! No! Me! By myself! Me! By myself! Into a pineapple game! Angry now!
You know, we should make a one show.
What are we, iCarly? Yes!
No, we're not. We are Pensa. Dude, remember when I did that one thingy?
Cold. It's freaking cold. It's so cold, dude. She's got a stick. She's gonna own that tree. She's gonna own that tree. Whoa. She just owned that tree. My fingers are so numb. Like, for real.
There's a car. There's a car. There's a car.
They're gonna die.
I'm gonna die.
Don't. Caitie, don't do it. Freaking kill you.
Never let me do anything fun!
That's not fun, that's death.
How was that death walking this close to a car?
That's pretty close to
The
death.
closest I've ever gotten to a car was, and it was like this close and it broke my nose.
I swear to God, those kids are screaming at us. Sounds like they are anyway.
Red truck!